Hello everyone, so in today's video I'm going to be doing a mini makeover in our dining room, just getting that space completely finished and decorated. But first we are going to shop through the spring shop collection at Hobby Lobby, and Hobby Lobby is sponsoring today's video, so a big thank you to them. Their spring shop collection is always my favorite collection each year at Hobby Lobby, so I was really excited to shop through all of this today. I got myself a coffee, I had Levi taking his nap in the carrier, and I just took my time slowly browsing through each aisle. I started off in the aisles of wall decor. There's so many beautiful canvases and signs to pick from, lots of different styles, and everything in the spring shop section is currently 40% off. And they don't just have home decor, there's such a wide variety of things in the spring shop. As you can see here, they have kitchen items, some cute little toasters, popcorn makers, just such a wide variety. Like I said, it's my favorite collection to shop through. So much fun. I was looking forward to this year. This was my first time seeing everything that they had out for 2022. So after I looked through the wall decor, I headed to the aisle of clocks and mirrors. I was hoping to find a mirror for my dining room, and I did end up finding one. Stay tuned to see which one I got, but they have a lot of beautiful mirrors. They have a lot of different circle mirrors if you're looking for those. I have one of their black circle mirrors over my piano, but now they have a really huge, like extra large sized mirror that I almost got to put in the dining room, but I ended up going with a different one. I am doing another giveaway in this video. Once I was done shopping at Hobby Lobby, I bought a $50 Hobby Lobby gift card to give to one of you. So today's giveaway is a $50 Hobby Lobby gift card. To enter the giveaway, all you have to do is like this video, be sure you're subscribed to my YouTube channel, and then just leave a comment down below this video. Your comment will be your entry into the giveaway, and the winner will be randomly chosen from the comments. I'll have the dates and the details typed up down below, but now I am shopping through all of the baskets. They always have the best baskets in the spring shop collection. I think I'm going to go back and get some of these for the nursery, but I did grab that little like rainbow shaped basket to put some books in Levi's nursery. They always have some beautiful rugs in the spring section. A lot of these would be great for a kitchen. They have some jute rugs, and then they also had some fun items back here like a little snow cone maker, waffle makers. I knew that the boys would really love this cars and trucks waffle maker. I didn't get it, but I might have to go back and get that because that would really make their morning to have cars and trucks waffles. They also have items for organizing, acrylic containers, glass jars, and then of course the back wall full of all kinds of colors of organizational containers. They always have these every year. I've talked about them before in other videos. I have a couple of these colors. They're really great, good, sturdy containers. Okay, so I'm back home now and I'm going to do a little haul of everything that I got at Hobby Lobby, and then we'll get started on the dining room makeover. So first off, like I showed you, I did get the little basket for books in Levi's room. I got this little wooden bowl and these wooden spoons for my kitchen, and then this beautiful horse canvas was also from the spring section. I thought this would be perfect in the dining room, and I love horses. I actually used to have horses years ago, and I worked at a horse farm, hoping to have horses again someday, but I just really loved this canvas, so I got that. Got this cute little dustpan with the brush. I thought this little happy home sign was really cute, and I had to get that to add to the shelf in the kitchen. Here's a look at the mirror that I got from the spring shop section. I'm going to put this mirror in the dining room. It's exactly what I was looking for, so I was excited to see what that was going to look like in there. I got some placemats to try in the dining room, and that is everything that I got. Now let's get started on this mini dining room makeover. This is what the dining room was looking like. It was just very empty. It didn't feel cozy or inviting at all, so we are going to change that today. We have been actually renovating this house for 2 years now, so a lot of work has already happened in this dining room. Here is a look at what it looked like when we first bought the house, and then we started the renovations, removing the heavy texture off of the walls and the ceiling. We did new texture, new paint, new trim and flooring, and then we added in this light fixture, the rug, and this table and chair set. The dining room stayed like that for a little while, and then we built this DIY floating sideboard on this empty wall. We loved how this turned out, but this dining room still just needed those finishing touches to make it look complete. So before we add a new rug and start decorating, I'm going to do a little bit of cleaning in here. This decor I had on the sideboard I had taken from other places in the house, so I went and put that back, got it dusted off, and now I'm going to organize the inside of this sideboard. On the left side here we keep all of the boys' school books and their coloring books, craft items. All of that stays in this cabinet, so I was just getting that organized. And then in the other cabinet we keep all of our games. We use this table for multiple things. We eat meals here, but yet we also use it as a school table. The boys color here, we play games here. So this sideboard has just been really handy in keeping all of those items right here beside the table. We had only had a couple of the games stored in here, so I got this cleaned out, dusted it, and then brought the rest of the games over here and organized them into the cabinet. Seeing them all organized in here made me want to have a game night. This is just so convenient to have them all right beside the table where we play games. And I put 2 of those organizers from Hobby Lobby on the top shelf, and we can just keep smaller games and card games in those. Okay, so now that we've moved the table and the chairs, I'm going to roll up this jute rug and move this out of here so that we can put down the new rug. I really love the look of a jute rug, But this rug was starting to shed after a while, and it was really hard to scoot the chairs on it. Here I'm showing you just how dirty it was under the jute rug where it had been shedding, so I had to vacuum every inch of this floor. That rug was also really uncomfy to walk on, and it blended in with the floor, so it wasn't much of a statement piece in here. So I'm going to try out a rug that I've actually had on hand for about 4 months now, because I got it to put under a table on the back porch, but that table has been back ordered for months. I think we'll probably get it in about another month or two here, but I decided in the meantime I'm just going to see what this rug looks like here in the dining room. It is an outdoor rug, but it's still comfy to walk on, and I kind of like the idea of putting an outdoor rug in the dining room because it will be really easy to keep clean. If it gets a major stain on it, we can just take it outside and pressure wash it off. It'll be easy to spot clean inside. So we're going to try this out and see what we think, but as soon as I unrolled it, we both just absolutely loved how it looked in here, the pattern and everything. It just really has that Southwest look to it, and I think it's just exactly what this dining room needed. While I had all of these chairs lined up, I decided to go ahead and clean them, wipe them down with a damp cloth, dried them off, and then put them all back into the dining room. I just love how this rug looks with this table and chairs. I'll try to put links for everything that I can down below. Added some potted greenery, a napkin holder, and a salt and pepper shaker to the table, and now I'm going to start decorating the sideboard with these pieces from Hobby Lobby. I got the mirror put up here. It was just perfect for this sideboard. I had been looking for a mirror like this online and in stores for months, and I just couldn't find anything that I liked, but this mirror was just perfect. And then this horse picture was great for layering here in front of the mirror. And now I'm going to add some smaller decor items, a little lamp, some greenery, and then a little picture frame. I had originally thought about adding 2 of these wooden lamps, one on either side, but they were just a little bit too small, and I also liked the look of just having the one little bit larger lamp on the left side beside the mirror. It just really helped to cozy up this room, and just adding this decor on top of the sideboard, this room was already starting to transform just from this decor. I've been wanting to add some more real plants to my home, so I got these 3 here, and I'm going to put them on the right side of this sideboard. They'll get some light from the sliding doors, and I think it'll just be a great place for them. So I took them outside, got them planted in those pots, and these white pots, the larger one was from Hobby Lobby, and it's got that little black stand, and then I did find a smaller one with a black stand to match. I couldn't decide if I should put 3 plants here or just 2. I did end up just putting 2 here, the 2 that were in the white pots, and then I'll put the 3rd one somewhere else. But I love how these look beside the sideboard. It looked really empty over here between the sideboard and the sliding glass door, and I just couldn't decide what to put there, so I think that plants are the perfect option. I had thought about putting all of these placemats on the table, but I ended up deciding to just take them off and not have placemats on the table. I do really love the look of these. They're just like that natural woven look, but I just decided I didn't want placemats on the table. So now Jalen is going to hang up these 3 picture frames, and then the next day I'm going to print 3 pictures of the boys and have a picture of Kyle in the top frame, Owen in the middle, and then Levi on the bottom. Okay, so here's what the dining room looked like before. Here was progress, and then now here is what the dining room looks like completely finished and decorated. We just love how this room turned out. It feels so cozy and inviting now, and I'm just so happy to have this space complete. We've really been enjoying it the last couple of days. That mirror and canvas from Hobby Lobby was exactly what that sideboard needed, and a big thank you to Hobby Lobby for sponsoring this video. I was so excited to get to work with them again. They're an amazing company and I've been shopping there for years. Really love their store, so thank you to them for sponsoring this video, and thank you all so much for watching. We appreciate each of you so much, and we'll see you in a couple days with a new video. Bye!